Good. Well done. And then when are you going to need to tell this one? Yeah, good. Good. Off you go. Good. Less brake. Good. Keep rolling up. When's your gap coming? Good. Good. Head round to the left, Simon. Good, yeah. So stay in front of the cyclist, you're okay, aren't you? Good. Look far and round. We're going to take the second road on the right. Not where the white car is, but just after. And tell people, yes. Good, keep an eye on him. We'll go in second. Clutch down, stop, 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 stop. Put it first, and off we go. Onto it?
Yeah.
Second road on the left. It's not this one, this one now. Good. Park. That's fine, just stay nice and straight. Keep rolling a little further forward. Keep rolling forward. And go and stop us anywhere there. Good. Yep. Well done. Secure your car up. Good. Relax. What was your thoughts on the Cyclist?
I was trying to kind of, because they're quite tight bend, aren't they? So I was just trying to kind of keep clear for them, and then I was just...
That's right.
Yeah.
He was very impatient, he was doing the wrong thing. But it's our responsibility to look out for the idiots on the bikes.
Yeah.
Okay? Don't forget, I know you're learning to do this, but to drive one of these things, you have to take a test.
Yeah.
You need to take a test to ride a bike. Okay? So, we have to look out for the people like that.
Yeah.
What should he have done when you were signalling? He should have waited. Alright? So the things that I'm getting across to you today on your first lesson is about changing speed more to suit, and you're very good at it already, okay? But he should have just held back. He should have let you finish that turn. But that's why it's really important, even when you've got priority to do that turn, priority doesn't mean you always go, does it?
No.
Okay, priority sometimes means I should be going, however, there's an idiot. I'm going to stop. No issues. Alright? It's a real good lesson. It doesn't happen very often, but it shows you the importance of checking again before you turn, and keep checking as you're doing things. Alright? That was excellent. Alright?